Another day, another English lesson. Finish and done, the difference. Hello, everyone. Learners often ask about sentences like these. I finished my homework. I have finished my homework already. I have done my homework already. And I am done with my homework. All these sentences mean the homework is complete. However, they use different grammar forms. Two use the verb finish, one uses the verb do, and one uses done as an adjective. Let's look at how each one works. 1. The verb finish means to complete something. It is a regular verb, so its past tense and past participle are both finished. We use finish in the past simple or the present perfect. For example, I finished my homework. She finished the book last night. Or, they finished lunch at 1 o'clock. All talk about something that happened and ended in the past. When we say, I have finished my homework, or he has finished the report, we use the present perfect to show the action is complete and the result is important now. The present perfect is often used with already. 2. The verb do is irregular and its past participle is done. We use done with have or has to form the present perfect. For example, I have done my homework already. She has done the shopping already, or they have done everything already. This is similar to have finished, but it uses a different verb. Do is common for general tasks. 3. Sometimes done is not a verb but an adjective. It means something is complete or finished. We use this adjective form after the verb be, like am, is, are, was, or were, and sometimes before the word with. For example, I am done with my homework. She is done eating, or they are done for the day. This means the activity is over and the person is no longer doing it. 4. Let's compare the 4 sentences. I finished my homework uses the past simple form of finish and tells us the action ended in the past. I have finished my homework uses the present perfect form of finish and shows the action is complete and important now. I have done my homework uses the present perfect form of do and has the same meaning as I have finished my homework. I am done with my homework uses done as an adjective and shows that the activity is over and you are finished. Now, watch and complete the sentences with finished, have has done, or am, is, are done. Use the verb in parentheses. One, I have done my homework today. 2. I finished my homework yesterday. 3. They are done with work for the day. 4. We have finished the test already. 5. They finished eating before noon. 6. They have done all the work recently. 8. I have finished my lunch already. 9. She is done eating dinner. 10. She has done most of the cleaning already. 11. She has finished reading the book already. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning activity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications.